decided to send a letter of formal notice to the UK government. This is the first step in an infringement.
Roger Casale, thanks very much indeed for joining us. So this is an interesting situation, isn't it? And why is the EU putting this on the table now?
They have to. The EU has to react to what the British government has done. And it has to issue this letter, which it has done, because it gave an ultimatum that if the internal market bill was not withdrawn by the 30th of September, they would take legal action. And this is a formal step that they're taking today to initiate that. And it's not surprising. It's inevitable that this course of action will be taken, and the British government knows that full well.
And what impact will it have on the progress of talks? I say progress, but so far there hasn't actually been much progress, has there?
Well, we heard Michael Gove a few moments ago saying differences remain. And one of the differences that remains, or that is now clear, is that one side of this negotiation, the European Union, respects the law, and the other side of the negotiation, the British government, doesn't respect the law. And that's a rather big difference to have to bridge in the few remaining days before they need to achieve an agreement, because let's remember, even if they were to have an agreement, it would still need to be ratified by the European Parliament. And so time is running out.
So now this infringement has happened. Is there any way that both sides can get out of this without losing face?
I don't think one should read too much into the letter that has been sent today. I think far more serious is the ongoing problem in the negotiations, which is that the only real negotiation that is going on is the negotiation going on inside the Conservative Party. There is no real negotiation going on between the European Union and the UK government. And until there is a settled view within the Conservative Party as to what the next step should be for Britain outside the European Union, I think the prospect of there being a deal with the European Union is very, very low, because it's not something that the Prime Minister and the government care about. What they care about is staying in power. That means that they need to have their own supporters on side, particularly the Brexiters and the ones who want to leave the European Union without a deal. And so they are playing to the gallery all the time and not seriously focused on the negotiations, and they never have been.
OK, thanks very much indeed for joining us on the programme, Roger Casale.